Alright guys, check it out. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm just going to go for a little throttle therapy. That's what people call it on YouTube. Just ride a little bit and let me know what you think. If you guys like this kind of videos, I'm going to put the 360 camera. Going to give you a lot more, view of what's going on. So if this is something that you guys enjoy or whatever, let me know down in the comment section below. Nothing better than getting in a bike. Man, it's so awesome. I'm going to try just to hit this road right here. Not going to be talking that much. The problem with motovlogging is that you're trying to stay on topic. You're trying to talk about something. You try to, be funny, or maybe you're trying to be like, I don't know, whatever you're trying to do. But as you do that, you miss one important factor. Sometimes, I guess every now and then, the ride. I don't want to miss the ride. I just want to ride. That was corny. I don't want to miss the ride. I just want to ride. Okay, got it. Obviously, there's cars in front of me, but... Gotta think behind trucks like this, because again, you see all those straps, you see everything that truck is carrying. Very, very easy tools could come out and hit you in the face or hit your bike or something. I don't know. Coming up to the end right here, I'm gonna go right pretty soon, so you gotta be kidding me. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.